guys, it's Mommy Tang. I'm trying to move on. A lot of you guys know me as Mommy Tang. Some of you on Instagram say, Mommy Tang, you need to get a new name. I have another channel. Mommy Tang is just a pass for me. I mean, I've been working on how to come up with a different content, a different me, because things change, you guys, like for real. Like it's just, you know, as you could see, a couple years now, yeah, I don't wear any makeup. I grew my hair out, it's super long. I am trying to become a minimalist. I don't want to say minimalist, but as far as fashion, I guess, or I don't know, like the stuff I used to collect before, you know? When I was Mommy Tang, I guess, I was very into fashion and makeup and, you know, just girly stuff, I guess. Now I'm not into that anymore, or I try not to use my energy, I guess, towards there anymore. So a lot of things have changed, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm okay, you know, I'm doing good. And Green Chef reached out to me and they say, hey, would you like to do a video? And I say, well, yeah, I don't know what to say, what to do. And they were like, well, you've been using our product for a while now and you could just tell your viewers about us again. I said, all right. So I decided to do that. I've been working with them for a really long time. I've been using their goodies for a long time. I don't mind spreading good news, especially Green Chef came up with a lot of plant-based vegan recipes, and any company that's willing to spread the veganism in their own way, I am willing to help out. So Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company that makes eating well, easy, and affordable with plans to fit every kind of lifestyle. So basically what they do is they send you a box full of goodies to your house. Everything is handpicked and delivered to your house, right to your door. There are dishes for varieties of your lifestyle: keto, paleo, plant power, just like me, vegans, or just simply if you want a balanced diet. It's a great way to eat restaurant quality food at home. Like literally, this is legit. Like, you know how you go to vegan restaurants out there and like you pay fortune? Like I pay so much money when I go out to vegan restaurants, and the food is like, sometimes, not all restaurants. I mean, they do have amazing, you know, restaurants out there, but I'm telling you, the stuff they give you, it's so good, so good. I mean, you'll see what I be making for you guys today. For example, I'll be cooking today Thai style tofu rice soup, portobello, fajita, and coconut curry glazed cauliflower. All right, let's do this, okay? And today I have a helper. Guys, she's so nice. I'm so confused with what I'm gonna call myself because I'm so used to calling myself Mommy Tang, you guys, that my other channel has been changing its name for a whole month. And also, yeah, the content there, it's not ready. I'm not posting anything there yet, but I am working on new content to post, and definitely there'll be tons of recipes if I do post on my new channel. I'll give you guys a special code so you guys could get discount. It's go to greenchef.us/125 Mommy Tang and use code 125 Mommy Tang to get 125, including free shipping on your first box. That's right, 125 first box, okay? Let's cook it. Let's get cooking. It comes in a package like this. How convenient. And then all the ingredients are inside like so. Oh my gosh, look at this. So cute. Look at this. Little tiny milk, coconut milk. And by the way, guys, these are all recyclable, okay? You have to just wash it and recycle them. If you feel about like the plastic thingy, you know, don't worry about it so much. There's tofu in here, rice, ooh, mushroom amino sauce. This is yellow onion and ginger. See how they come pre-prepped so you don't have to like mince the onion and ginger and some sauce. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, broth. Something for broth. Something for broth and some hot pepper. Coconut curry glazed cauliflower. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Jasmine rice. 2 tomato paste. I think this is for the curry. This is so cute. Purple cabbage. Cauliflower. There's some curry powder. Some hot pepper flakes. Veggie broth of some sort. And onions and ginger. That's what that is. Ooh. Oh. Don't forget the cilantro. Mole? Mole. Have you heard of that?
Yeah, some kind of Spanish.
What is that? Mole? He says it's mole. It comes with the Green Valley pinto bean. It also comes with the classic guacamole. There's 2. Some carrots. Corn, pre-measured corn. Tomato. Mushroom broth concentrate. This is the mole spice. And smoky. Something basil bland. I can't read it, but that's what that is. And some rice. Another spice, cumin seeds, and chopped roasted red pepper. I love this one. Last time, oh my gosh, any menu that has this, I love it. So that's what that is. 2, 3. Let's get cooking.
Why don't we just put all spices in the rice? It's vegetable broth, mushroom broth, and cumin seeds.
Put it in a pan.
Put a little olive oil on the pan.
Salt. And olive oil.
Just at the toss.
And toss it.
Yeah, 20 minutes. 18 to 20.
Okay, it goes in the oven for 20 minutes.
Jasmine rice.
Rice.
Vegetable stock.
Okay.
Water.
And then water. And then
That's it. Just boil it. Simmer 18 to 20.
cabbage, cilantro. I like the stamp though. Okay, what else? Oh. Okay. Yellow onion.
Yeah, and ginger. And then season.
Curry powder. And then oh my god, that looks amazing!
And a pour of water.
Water. And then
After you reduce it a little bit, then you put tomato paste. So it's just water. I think curry though, I think it was just one, but it's okay, right?
yeah.
Curry sauce.
여기다가 이거는 예이. And then you mix. And then what?
And then plate.
Wow. how's school?
It's good.
Just the tofu.
Pass the teacher thought.
You spilled the coffee?
Wait, the person out.
You just let it simmer.
Already. Oh my god. Okay. On the bottom?
Yeah.
Spread it around. Look at that, looks so good.
1.5.
Dice the tomatoes. Organic beans. And then,
Strain and wash them.
and then we wash it.
Mix. Let's finish. Put some lime so it doesn't turn to brown.
It doesn't call for lime, but we're gonna put some lime in there.
Oh yeah.
So good. And then gourmet looking. Wow, that looks so good. This looks amazing. Okay.
How can you get the fancy dancer? I think it
My
medals.
fancy dancy. Ooh, I want to try this one first.
Broccoli. Oh, lemonade.
They all taste so healthy. Which one's your favorite?
I haven't tried this one yet.
Me either. I want to try the one. It's really good. Oh, that's so good.
What's my life update, Mingy? My life update is that I have a new man.